Question 1. Who was the ruler of Chittor when Alauddin Khilji attacked and conquered it in 1303 AD? A. Rana Kumbha. B. Rana Ratan Singh. C. Rana Hamir. D. Rana Sanga. Answer. B. Rana Ratan Singh. Question 2. Market control had been first introduced in medieval India by A. Iltutmish. B. Ghiyasuddin Balban. C. Alauddin Khilji. D. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Answer. C. Alauddin Khilji. Question 3. The two principal monuments of Alauddin Khilji reign, the Alai Darwaza and Jamaat Khana Masjid, were constructed at A. Agra. B. Delhi. C. Fatehpur Sikri. D. Gulbarg. Answer. B. Delhi. Question 4. Token currency had been introduced for the first time in India by A. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. B. Firuz Shah Tughlaq. C. Alauddin Khilji. D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer. D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question 5. To whom had Muhammad Ghuri assigned the first Iqta in India? A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. B. Shamsuddin Iltutmish. C. Nasiruddin Kubacha. D. Tajuddin Yildiz. Answer. A. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Question 6. Sri Perumbudur, a temple town in southern India, is the birthplace of A. Ramanuja. B. Adi Shankaracharya. C. Vidyaranya. D. Madhavacharya. Answer. A. Ramanuja. Question 7. The special feature of the financial system of Vijayanagara was A. Land tax. B. Currency system. C. Surplus revenue. D. Revenue from seaports. Answer. D. Revenue from seaports. Question 8. Which Rajput dynasty had not surrendered to Akbar? A. Pratihara. B. Sisodia. C. Rathore. D. Parmar. Answer. B. Sisodia. Question 9. The Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system prevalent in A. Persia. B. Mongolia. C. Afghanistan. D. Turkey. Answer. B. Mongolia. Question 10. The East India Company was founded in India during the reign of A. Shah Jahan. B. Jahangir. C. Akbar. D. Aurangzeb. Answer. C. Akbar. Question 11. The discriminatory jizya tax was abolished by A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Sher Shah. D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Answer. A. Akbar. Question 12. Vasco da Gama came to India in and landed at A. 1498, Kochi. B. 1496, Goa. C. 1498, Calicut. D. 1492, Goa. Answer. C. 1498, Calicut. Question 13. What was the capital of Shivaji's kingdom? A. Pune. B. Raigarh. C. Karwar. D. Purandhar. Answer. B. Raigarh. Question 14. The island of Bombay had been given to the British Prince Charles II as dowry by Thiers. A. Dutch. B. Portuguese. C. Danish. D. French. Answer. B. Portuguese. Question 15. The Dutch first established their hold in India in the year 1605 at A. Masulipattanan. B. Surat. C. Bombay. D. Goa. Answer. A. Masulipattanan. Question 16. Which Indian ruler had requested Napoleon for help in driving the British away from India? A. Shivaji. B. Jaya Singh. C. Tipu Sultan. D. Rani of Jhansi. Answer. C. Tipu Sultan. Question 17. Amir Khusrao's name is associated with the invention of Thiers. A. Sarod. B. Sitar. C. Sanai. D. Tabla. Answer. B. Sitar. Question 18. Fatehpur Sikri had been founded by A. Akbar. B. Jahangir. C. Babur. D. Humayun. Answer. A. Akbar. Question 19. The Khajuraho shrines built by the Chandala rulers are dedicated to A. Brahma and Vishnu, B. Vishnu and Lakshmi, C. Shiva and Surya, D. Shiva and Parvati. Answer: D. Shiva and Parvati. Question 20. Who is the only women historian to have written a historical account of Mughal period? A. Noor Jahan Begum, B. Zebun Nisa Begum, C. Gulbadan Begum, D. Jahanara Begum. Answer: C. Gulbadan Begum.